There we go.
Our first one comes from Doreen King on YouTube. I'm from Jamaica visiting my little sister. How can I get an extension to stay until she's done with her treatments?
I don't know what her treatments are, but you could always apply for an extension of your tourist visa on an I-539.
Andres IT Service on YouTube. If I have an F4 approval and I have to get out for an interview, but I am getting an DED, do I need to get out of the country for an interview?
If you have to get out for an interview, and your DED is deferred enforced departure. So what? Ask the question again.
So if I have an F4 approval, do I have to leave for an interview?
I understand. Okay. So he got sponsored by a brother or sister. If you're not in status, you would have to, and you're not 245I, you would have to go home. But it's not a deferred enforced departure. You would need a provisional waiver. You can only get a provisional waiver through a parent or a spouse. You can't get it through a brother or sister. So hopefully you have a brother, you have a parent or spouse that can do the provisional waiver. Other than that, you can't get your green card through the F4.
Okay, Barbara Lord on Facebook. How long after your fingerprints fee is received you can expect to get a letter for your biometrics?
Depends on what application you're processing, depends on what state you're in, because COVID protocols are different all over the place. Pre-COVID, you filed an adjustment citizenship, your biometrics came 8 weeks later. Now they're coming 3-4 months later, perhaps, or not coming at all, because sometimes if the government already has your biometrics taken, they're going to use your old ones. They're not even going to ask you to come back and do it again.
Lolita Daly on Facebook. What does Executive Office for Immigration Review stand? What does it mean?
It stands for the Executive Office for Immigration Review. It's the immigration judges and the Board of Immigration Appeals. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.